What's up guys, in this video I'm going to explain how to design a professional business card inside Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to explain the whole process from document setup to designing and all the way to exportation for printing. First of all, part 1 is document setup. In document setup we're going to write here the name. I'm going to just write BC to mean business card. So width, I'm going to change these pixels to millimeters, and the standard business card always has the 88.9 width, and height we are going to use 50.8. Number of artboards, I'm going to use 2 artboards because I'm going to print both sides, the front view and the back view of the business card. And here down the bleed, we're going to add 3 millimeters on each side so as to help in printing. The color mode, CMYK color, is the one that is used for print, so I'm going to leave CMYK color like that one. And raster effect, I'm going to use this high 300 ppi, which is good for effects like shadows. So from here I'm going to hit create, and let us start now in designing. And the first thing, I'm going to create first the parent background that are going to be used for both front view and backward view of our business card. So I'm going to draw the rectangle. I want to use the gradient color for this. Here, so this is going to be our background, and I'm going to paste it to the back view of our business card as well. So I'm going to hit Control C and Control F to copy and paste in front. If you know that one, and I'm going to put this one over here, so like that one. And I don't want this one to interfere our designing because I'm not going to change them, so I will lock them first. So from here now I want to add one shape, like an oval shape. I'm going to cut it, so I want to use maybe the rectangle and draw it over here. Select both of them, and I'm going to use the shape builder tool and just delete this side over here. From here now I want to copy and paste in front this shape, so I hit Control C and Control F to copy and paste in front. And after doing that, I want to move the forward one to this side little bit like that one. And now I'm going to change the color for the layer on top. I'm going also to hit Ctrl C and F again to copy and paste in front, and I do the same. I just want to create something like. From there I'm going to select both of them, and I'm going to hit Ctrl C and F to copy and paste them in front, Ctrl C and F to copy and paste them in front. And I'm going to move them over here. And after this one, I want to use the shape builder tool and delete this one. So I'm going to hit again Control C and F to copy and paste in front. Now I want to rotate this. Looks good. I just want to put it over here. I'm going to place now the shapes where I'm going to put my text, and let us put text right now. Let us have the ellipse tool, and there we're going to put now another shape. From here, let us add things like location and some context details here. And from here now, if we have maybe the company logo, we can put it over here. Just try to draw something like logo. So if you have your company logo, you're gonna put it to this side. I've made that one just like a logo for just few seconds like that one. It looks cool. So here now you can try to manipulate something, maybe change the color for this one. Let us set now backward view. We can write here maybe something like slogan. Okay, so this is the front view of our designing. Let us end here, and this one is a backward view of our card. And from here now, we are going to the exportation session, how to export for high quality printing. So we're going here now to file and all the way to export. We're going to choose export as, so we can have the full control of what kind of format you're going to export this project. So from here now, we're going to choose over here, and we're going to export it as Adobe PDF. And the reason why we are exporting it as Adobe PDF is for printing purpose, because this one is not for digital. It's gonna be printed. Choose the right location, hit the export button. It's going to pop up the exportation window, where now we're gonna have full control of everything. From here now, we are going to choose the in the preset here. For better print quality, we're going to choose high quality print. This is very nice, and you can read here the description. Click now export PDF, and let us see what it's gonna be in our PDF. Now this is what we have designed right now. So this one is ready, and printing the document like this is gonna turn out very nice with high quality. I hope you have enjoyed this one, and if you have enjoyed this one, consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, because good stuffs are coming, and we're going to post every Wednesday, each and every Wednesday in our YouTube channel. We're going to have new tutorial, new designing tips, new AI integration tips, and everything. So consider subscribing and hit that like button for more creative content like this. Let us connect. Have a nice designing. Keep creating, keep designing, keep making stuff. See you in the next video. See you next Wednesday. Bless.